Welcome to the deep dive. Today we had a really fun mission for you. We are going to take a pretty dense, highly technical product page for a device known as the Intelix FLX-3232 flexible card-based matrix switcher.
That is quite the mouthful.
Right, it's a total mouthful.
Yeah.
But we're going to translate that into a fascinating look at the hidden infrastructure that actually powers massive commercial audiovisual setups.
Yeah, and it is so easy to look at a wall of technical specifications and just completely glaze over. But when you step back and look at what this hardware actually achieves, I mean, it gives you a whole new appreciation for the digital environments we walk through every single day.
Okay, let's unpack this. When you see a price tag of around $2,500 for a metal box, you might naturally wonder what on earth it actually does. But essentially, it is a massive digital traffic cop.
Exactly, a traffic cop.
Yeah, this single device can take up to 32 distinct audio and video inputs and route them to 32 different outputs, all at the exact same time.
What's fascinating here is the system's modular plug-and-play design. It is not just a static box with fixed ports. It uses these interchangeable input and output cards.
So you just snap in exactly what you need.
Exactly. It allows for over 80 possible input-to-output combinations. So whether a building is using, older legacy formats like VGA or modern high-definition ones, you just slide in the right card.
That is super convenient.
It really is. System integrators can build exactly what a client needs, which completely removes typical hardware limitations.
Oh, I saw something in the notes about EDID management and audio embedding. That sounds intensely complicated. What does that actually do for the person installing this?
Great question. EDID management is basically a digital handshake between the switcher and the TV screen so they instantly agree on the right video resolution.
Oh, to prevent those weird blank screens.
Right. It prevents those annoying blank screens or distorted images you sometimes get when plugging in a laptop. And audio embedding just means it can take a separate audio feed and sneak it right into the video cable.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, combined, these features eliminate the need to buy an entirely separate audio routing system.
That makes total sense. Now, the spec sheet also mentioned a switching speed of 200 milliseconds. I mean, that is a literal blink of an eye.
It is, and that matters. It means a sports bar can flip a screen from a football game to a basketball game without anyone missing a crucial play. Plus, using specialized extension cards, it can send a 1080p video signal up to 229 feet.
Wait, 229 feet without lag?
Zero lag.
You're talking about pushing high-definition video down the length of most of a football field. How is that even possible over standard cables?
It uses something called HD-based technology, and doing that instantly requires a staggering amount of processing power from this one box.
Okay, all these specs are great, but let's talk about where you and I actually see this in the wild. Here's where it gets really interesting to me. You aren't buying this for a simple living room TV setup.
Definitely not.
This is the invisible technology seamlessly running the interactive digital signage you see at the mall. It's the backbone of massive corporate facilities, modern churches, university lecture halls, and those mega sports bars with dozens of screens playing different feeds all at once.
Right, and if we connect this to the bigger picture, commercial technology relies heavily on user-friendly efficiency. The people operating these systems daily are usually staff members.
Like bartenders or teachers?
Exactly. Receptionists, teachers, not AV engineers.
Which is why they need it to be foolproof.
Precisely. That is why the FLX-3232 features 10 programmable presets, so a manager can hit one button to switch the entire room from daytime presentation mode to evening entertainment mode.
Oh, that's smart.
It even has customizable clear button caps on the front panel so you can slide in your own text labels, and it supports communication protocols like IR, RS-232, and TCP/IP, which is really just engineering speak for it easily connects to third-party remotes and touchscreens.
So what does this all mean? It means the FLX-3232 isn't just a box of wires and circuit boards. It's a highly adaptable, future-proof nervous system designed to conquer multimedia complexity.
You snap in whatever cards you need today, and if technology changes in 5 years, you swap a card instead of trashing a massive, expensive machine. It makes conquering all that complexity look absolutely effortless to the end user.
It really does.
This raises an important question. If modular, customizable card-based routing is the gold standard for commercial AV flexibility today, how long until our increasingly complex, fragmented home entertainment systems require this exact level of heavy-duty routing just to get all our personal devices talking to each other?